Hello everybody, it's Stephanie Grahams, owner and founder of Keepsake Business Academy. You can go to stephaniegrahams.com to find out more information on the keepsake business industry, and also get on the newsletter. It's free. I don't charge for my newsletter. And then you'll get details. And if you're already on the newsletter, you may already notice that you get all my new blog posts delivered directly to your inbox. You can unsubscribe at any time, but I sure hate to see you go. I would miss you. All right, and you'll miss out on some really good information concerning the keepsake business industry. So this will continue our January 2024 Lunch and Learn series. Each of the videos are geared to be 10 minutes in length or less, and I share them on YouTube and TikTok. So come on over, and I'd love to get to know you. So today's topic is offer variety. Now you might think, and I thought like this for a little bit in my memory bear business. I thought I can only offer this type of memory bear, this size, this way, because this is the item everybody will ask for. And so it didn't take me very long to realize, that's not how this works, because I don't know why, but I just did not think beyond the memory bear for probably too long. And so I never swayed who my customers were. Like I already knew who my target customer was and who they are. And I never changed that, but I got better. So how did I get better? I got better by offering a variety of related products. And so offering variety, that is basically diversifying your keepsake offerings. And so bear with me on this topic, because I don't want to overwhelm you with all of the possibilities. And there are a lot of possibilities. But knowing why you should offer variety, that's where we should start. It might be just, common sense to a lot of us, but it's not necessarily about common sense. It's about thinking outside the box. And it can be very difficult to think outside the box when you are the business owner. You're the CEO, the designer, the creator, you're into the marketing, you're the customer service. You're wearing all of the hats that it requires for your business. And so when you think about offering variety, that can often make a solo business owner a little overwhelmed. And so that's one reason why I created the Keepsake Business Academy, which you can get all the information at stephaniegrahams.com on that. But for today's quick lunch and learn, I want you to think about who your target customer is. And if you don't know who that is right now, you really, really, really need to start there. Okay. Think who your target customer is and the product that you offer them. Now, once you have that customer in mind and the product that you know that they really like and they order from you, what can you add to that? What value can you add to that item? So this is where offering variety comes into. You want to recognize that your customer, they do have different tastes and preferences, and by knowing that and acknowledging that, you can offer a related different option. Related and different sounds kind of opposite, but you want to have a variety of related services or products. You can do this by simply asking your customer, hi, I love having you as a customer, and you ordered XYZ from me, and I was wondering what your thoughts were on this type of addition. Do you find value in it? What is your honest opinion? I mean, you can reach right out to them and ask them. That'll save you a lot of time. But you can also watch the industry trends. So I talk a lot about keepsake industry trends at stephaniegrahams.com, the free blog and newsletter. Definitely get over there. I'm not trying to plug and sell you. I just want to help you in your keepsake business. The industry as a whole can be very overwhelming to someone that's either new to the industry or they've been in the industry but they are trying to diversify and add value to what they have. So, you can spin your wheels and waste a bunch of time trying to find out all of these trends and things, or you can just save yourself a headache and go on to stephaniegrams.com and get on the newsletter so you can get the blog posts and things like that. When you think about variety, this is also a step in, expanding your product line, but again, you want to stay within the realm of what your customers want. You don't want to go clear off in left field unless you're completely changing your company, and you could be. So think variety, but related to what you already offer. All right. You can collaborate with artists and figure out how you can make your company, your keepsake company, stand out from another keepsake company. So again, knowing your customer is definitely number one, but then number two is knowing who your competition is. Why are they your competition? Is it due to location? Are they the same zip code or the same 20, 30, 40 mile radius from where you are? And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then you really do need to be at the Keepsake Business Academy. You want to think about the gaps in the industry. Is there a gap in the keepsake business industry that you have the skills and knowledge to fill? Again, if you need help with that, I'm going to tell you to go to the academy. You can try to take something that's classic and add a more elegant or luxurious feel to it. You can again, I'll go back to the memory bears. You can take a memory bear and without changing it completely, you can add value to that. It's a really good idea to just take some time and get your homework out. If you're a student, you know exactly what I mean by homework. You want to get out your goals, and I want to show you, if you are part of my YouTube or any of that, I have an Etsy shop where I do have the Plan Your Year in 4 Weeks planner for the keepsake business industry. I mean, if you're in any industry, you can use it, I'm sure. But this whole thing, there's a brain dump there. The whole thing about this planner is you plan your entire year in 4 weeks. I'm not the original person that came up with that concept. I've just taken the concept, I've added value to the keepsake industry by rewriting it for us. So that kind of gives you an idea on offering a variety. Definitely start there. Get out pen, paper. Here's my cute pen. Isn't it cute? It's a teddy bear. And if you're interested in pens like this, you need to see the link underneath this video. I'll show you where I purchased these. But anyways, I hope that you consider adding a variety of related items to your keepsake business. As always, it's Stephanie Grams. Please give me a follow, a like, subscribe, get on the newsletter, and I hope to see you as a student at the keepsake business industry this year.